In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network error on the WeChat application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the WeChat application, but you see an error message saying that you are facing network error, then there are a few reasons why this might be the case. The first reason is that you are not connected to any internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data network first. If you're connected and you're still getting this error, then make sure your internet connection is smooth and stable. Open up any other application that uses the internet and then see if this application is working fine. If the application is working just okay, then your internet connection is not to blame. The next thing to see is for available updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for WeChat. If you see an update button within the WeChat application, then just tap on it to install the latest updates. Once the update is installed and you see the open button, go ahead and open the application and see if your issue is resolved. If it still doesn't work, then one last thing that you can try is to open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. From the apps page, scroll all the way down until you see WeChat. Once you find it, you can just tap on it, and then from the WeChat application settings page, scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage page, simply tap on clear data and then proceed with clearing your WeChat data. After doing this, open up the WeChat application and log into your account once again. And now your network error will be resolved. And there you have it. That is how you can resolve network error on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.